Hey everyone, Brian with TINYCRYPTOBLOG, doing a video on the fly while it's still fresh in my head, and that video is, how does a cold wallet work? How does cold wallet storage work? Well, because sometimes you might ask, if I lose my cold storage wallet, does that mean I've lost my crypto? No, it doesn't. As long as you still have the backup seed phrase, you can just back up another cold storage wallet. And this explanation will kind of explain that. So, if you think about how you transact right now, let's say you've got a bank account at Chase Manhattan Bank. So in order to get into your account and see the ledger of transactions that pertain to you, you have to get a computer and then use an internet browser, then connect with Chase Manhattan's computers, and in order to access the data on those computers, in effect, its ledgers, to see what your transactions are and verify them, you need a username and a password to authenticate to show that, yes, you are who you are. Your username is associated with the account number and all the transactions associated with that account. And with a cold storage wallet, it's sort of the same thing, where this cold storage wallet is acting as the computer, the browser, and the user ID in effect, where you are, instead of connecting to Chase Manhattan's computers, where the record of transactions and the ledger is stored, with cryptocurrencies, and let's just say Bitcoin, instead of it being housed on one centralized computer, it's housed on multiple computers in a decentralized network around the world. So when you access your cold storage wallet, there's going to be some sort of passphrase in order to unlock the wallet. But on that wallet, like a regular hot wallet that you'd have on a phone or a computer, there's going to be the private key, which is sort of like the user ID and the password all in one. That address is recognized on the blockchain, and then you're able to use that device to read the information on the blockchain that pertains to the wallet and all transactions with that private address. And there's also the public address where you send everything to and from. And so the device itself is not where the funds are stored. The funds, just as your money and your check technically isn't held by Chase Manhattan because they don't have the physical cash. It's all just on their ledger of transactions. What you end up having, it's the same thing with a blockchain. All the transactions are registered on a ledger, and that ledger is what keeps track of everything. And your device is just sort of like the tool that you use to interact and read that ledger. So that's why if you lose your, whether it's a hot wallet or in this case a cold storage wallet, if you have the seed phrase to reinstate or reinstall a new wallet, all the information and data is going to be right there, because it's registered on that decentralized blockchain or that decentralized ledger. Just like if you lost your phone or your computer, it doesn't mean that all the money in your Chase Manhattan account is suddenly gone. It's because everything is registered on Chase Manhattan's ledger. So that's kind of a way to think about how a cold storage wallet works. And the idea that it's cold storage versus a hot wallet is that it's not continually connected to the internet. It's only connected to the internet, if it is, when you plug it into a device that is. So to perform your transactions, like with the evil, now no longer recommended by me, ledger, you connect that, or a Treasure, or a Cold Card, or any one of the numerous other cold storage wallets that are out there. So wrap that up. Hope that helps. Talk to you soon. Be well. Be smart with your security. Take care.